Hi. I'm back again with my part 5 documentary. Now we're in what? Pare, nasan tayo? Moncada, Tarlac. Now, we're gonna drink and drive. Pare won't drink because I'm scared of his driving. Pare is scaring me with this driving. Documentary. Pare. So what you're doing? Faster, man. Are you scaring me again? Come on, let's make, because we're gonna drink. So, gonna overtake again. Overtake. Load the car. Bye-bye. Oh. Stop. This car is red plate. Red plated car. Oh no, ban. Nabahan! This is a truck with loads of cement. Hey, Tarlac mother of Crosswind. Come on. I thought we're gonna drink. Okay, stop this. Stop.